Safe haven flows at the ready as high, very high geopolitical tensions with North Korea and South Korea right now. Okay, so earlier in the week, North Korea did launch an attack, blowing up, destroying a liaison office in a border town between North and South Korea. Now, this liaison office was set up back in 2018 as part of efforts to create some more stronger ties between the two, you know, to keep that peace there. As we know, over the years, these guys have had a history, of course, of fighting and back and forth, which obviously have calmed down at points, but have reignited recently, and they are at their highest right now after. And North Korea's state agency KCNA, they reported the liaison office being ruined with a terrific explosion. These guys are crazy, right? These guys are crazy. So they call it a terrific explosion. So this, as I say, has generated some very, very high tensions once again. South Korea recently speaking today, saying they're not happy the way in which the North are speaking and criticizing South Korea's president. North Korea have taken action and are conducting military exercises around the DMZ, the demilitarized zone, okay? And the reason why they've done that, they believe that they said that there's some protesters that have been handing out leaflets that are against North Korea, so on and so forth. So this isn't good. This isn't good. And we just covered actually to our members today, which is why we're actually seeing a little bit of an increase in some of the safe haven FX in terms of strengths and flows in there. South Korea is moving tanks and other assets into position, the event of further North Korean action after North Korea obviously destroyed that inter-Korean liaison office. So what does this all mean for the markets? As I say, markets don't like any geopolitical tension. Okay, they don't like any geopolitical tension. So if this escalates, in which I wouldn't be surprised if it does, because North Korea can be quite ruthless with their actions. If it does, then, and even so, markets are likely to remain nervous. So we see flows into the safe haven FX. We look at dollar, right? We look at yen. We look at Swiss franc. Guys, aside from that, there's so much risk at the moment in the markets, obviously with the potential of COVID-19 coming back into play. We've also got, Scott's going to cover it later in the blog, India, potentially in China as well. There's a lot of risk right now, a lot of risk. Guys, fundamentals are changing like this, literally the snap of the fingers. And that is obviously affecting what you are trading on the charts. Look, stay in line, up to date on the right side of what's going on. Check out freaknetwork.io, our membership. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Learning a lot, understanding what's influencing the currencies and assets that you're trading. Stay lit, let's get it.